Yo, what's good, guys? Basically a little quick video on what I spent so far on the Nismo. I had someone requested, so I'm pretty much doing the video because he requested it, and maybe it helps somebody else if they want to rebuild a Nismo in the future or something. So basically, the Nismo, the car itself was $3,500, but plus taxes and fees and stuff like that was $3,900. The front end, which was the fans, condenser, radiator, the hood, the headlight bracket, and both airbags, was $620. Front bumper, I bought a new one, guys, was $800. I'll show you guys in a bit. Passenger fender, $80, and the pillar I picked up $100. So far, added up all this. Right now I'm at $5,500. Now, I did sell some things, which was the carbon hood. I sold that for $200. I sold the wheels for $500. And I know you guys remember that Nismo bumper I have bought that I fixed. Well, I fixed it and I didn't show you guys, but I ended up fixing it and I just sold it. So I bought that bumper for $150, like I said. I spent $300 on fixing it, and then I sold it for $600. So that leaves me a profit of $150. I'm gonna just put bumper. $150. So we take the $5,500 minus this, which is $5,500 minus $500 is $548, $46.50. So we're already down to $46.50. My bad for my writing, guys. Holy crap. All right, whatever. So we're down to $46.50. Because I sold those things, so I brought some money back. So yeah, pretty much that's what I'm into the build right now. $46.50, 2008 Nismo with 49,000 miles. I might be picking up the rear Nismo bumper this weekend, hopefully. Hopefully. But yeah, for whoever was wondering what I'm into the build so far, that's how much it is. $4,650. Let me show you guys a new bumper I picked up. So here's a new bumper, guys. No damage. It's a good bumper. OEM, like I said. All tabs are good. Lip is good. Dang, the mosquitoes are killing me. That's pretty much the new bumper, guys. I could have kept the other one, but it came out really good fixed, but like I said, this one has never been fixed or anything, and I just rather get this one. So yeah, next video will be hopefully about the rear Nismo bumper, and I'm gonna install the rear Nismo bumper because I could just put it on. And yeah, hopefully I'm gonna try to do a video a week, and hopefully by the next 2 or 3 videos the car's at the body shop already and out without the paint, of course. So yeah, guys, until next video.